How to register on the Wise app. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Wise. Download and open the app. Once it's open, tap Sign Up or Create Account. Now choose whether you're signing up as a personal or business account. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and select your country of residence. Then tap Next. Wise will now send a verification email. Open your inbox, find the message from Wise, and click the Verify email link. After that, go back to the app, log in, and set up your personal details: full name, date of birth, and phone number. You'll also need to verify your identity by uploading a photo ID, like a passport or driver's license. Once verified, you're all set. You can start adding money, sending transfers, or ordering your Wise debit card. That's how to register on Wise, quick and easy. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.